Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial of Tech Quest. I'm back with a new video, and for today's video I'm going to be showing you the steps on how to find Ethereum wallet address on your Coinbase. So to find your wallet address, it is very simple. All you need to do is watch this video till the end and follow the instructions guided. So the first thing you need to do is log into your Coinbase account. Once you're logged into your account, tap on the trade icon located right at the bottom. As you tap on the trade icon, a drop down menu appears, and right at the bottom you'll have an option as receive. On this page right at the bottom you can see there is Bitcoin wallet address. Now what you need to do is, in order to find the Ethereum wallet address, you need to click on the option that is Bitcoin wallet. Click on it. Next interface will be asked to select an asset. So what you need to do is, on this page you need to type in Ethereum or ETH, and once you see the option Ethereum you need to click on it. Once again you'll redirect to this interface or the address page, and on this page you'll be able to see the QR code as well as the wallet address. So you need to select either you want to copy the wallet address or you want to scan the QR code. So that is how you can find Ethereum wallet address on your Coinbase account. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.